I'm Lisa Taylor, and I'm the president of Challenge Factory, and I understand the future of work. I'm excited that my new book, published by Sarah, Retain and Gain Career Management for Non-Profits and Charities, helps managers inside of that sector be prepared for the workforce of 2020. When we launched Retain and Gain Career Management for Small Business, we immediately had a response from executive directors and managers within the nonprofit sector that said, that's great that you've provided all kinds of templates and tools and activities for the small business community. But what about our sector? What about the nonprofit sector that is also struggling to be an attractive employer, to retain staff, and really needs its own playbook, needs a playbook that has research unique to the sector, tools that are relevant to the environment, and really understands what are the top trends that are impacting careers in the nonprofit space in Canada today. And so that's why this edition was formed. It really came out of recognizing a need in the small business sector and using that to then say, this sector deserves its own playbook as well. If you only have 10 minutes to spare, or if you could spend an hour working in the area of helping your employees with their careers, and if you have a couple of hours over the course of a quarter or over the course of the year, what plan might you put together? That's really the way that the book was designed. It was designed to emulate a travel journal, hopefully leading to a great experience for both the manager and the employee who go on this journey together.